it's Kerry. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to those of you who are new here. For this little mini series that I'm going to do now, I am going to go through some of the products that I've had from beauty boxes over the last few months but haven't had the opportunity to use yet. I thought that might be a little bit better than just showing you what comes in the boxes. So on this one, I'm going to try out this Grow Gorgeous Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub. So I've noticed quite a build up on my hair and my hair needs washing today anyway. I just want to make sure that my scalp is super clean. So what it does say in my little Rockerbox card that I get every month on this one, it says this is the Glow Gorgeous Hair Care Defense Detoxifying Scalp Scrub. It says, thought you didn't need a scalp scrub in your hair care routine? Once you try this, you'll change your mind. Look at it as a primer for your hair. It will exfoliate and refresh your scalp, remove product buildup, dead cells and excess sebum, leaving your hair and scalp cleaner and glossier and allowing your shampoo, conditioner and hair care products to get to work properly. If you've ever felt like a product buildup is messing with your shine, or that pollution from living in a city could be to blame for your dull looks, or that your usual shampoo just isn't getting rid of your grease, then this is your new secret weapon. So it says, wet hair, massage a generous amount into your scalp, leave for a few minutes, rinse thoroughly with the Defense shampoo, which I don't have, so I just use my own shampoo, and then you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. So I'm going to see how I get on with this. I've been intrigued and wanting to try out one of these scalp scrubs, so what better way than to use this? So hair is thoroughly wet. Time to put a generous amount of this into my scalp and see what happens. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's proper scrubber, like with bits in it. Let's try and put some on. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. Leave that on for a few minutes and then take it off and use my normal shampoo. So it felt really cooling going on my scalp. And that cooling continued to grow. When it came to taking the scrub out, so rinsing it out, it did take quite a while to get all the little ball things out. And then when I put the shampoo on, it was like I'd already done like a pre-shampoo, so I didn't need as much shampoo because it really lathered up really well. And then obviously washed it out, put my conditioner in, come out of the shower, put it in here. I'm going to dry it now and see how that goes and tell you whether it feels any different. So I've dried my hair now, desperate need of a haircut, and I have used my normal styling routine. So I've just used my grapeseed glossing serum from Body Shop. This is an absolute godsend because it stops it getting so frizzy. So I've just done my normal hair care routine, dried my hair. It did seem to dry a little bit quicker, and I guess my scalp does kind of feel a bit cleaner. But I think the real acid test is going to come in the next few days to see whether or not it actually makes my hair wash last longer. So I normally wash my hair every 3 to 4 days. So if I find that my hair needs still washing again in 3 to 4 days, then it may not have been such a success. But at the moment it feels okay. Like I say, I've just finished drying it, so it's nice and smooth. So I will check back in with you in 3 or 4 days time. So we're on day 3. This is normally where my hair starts needing a wash, and I would say it's pretty much the same as normal-ish, well, kind of. The front bits always go the greasiest, I guess, for me, the quickest, but the rest of it, if I angle it properly, it's actually feeling really clean still. So I might be able to actually make it day 5 possibly. We'll see tomorrow. I'll probably put in some dry shampoo, but we'll see if we can make it 5 days without a wash. So we've got to day 5 and it definitely needs a wash. As you can see, it's a little greasy here and a little greasy under here, but I am happy that I've managed to get to day 5. So yeah, I'm gonna go and give it a wash now, see whether or not I still need as much shampoo as I normally do, and I'll come back to you. So I've washed and dried my hair. I used the same amount of shampoo that I normally use, so the scrub didn't last over until the next shampoo, as it were, in its effectiveness, shall I say. And yeah, it's, you know, my hair's washed normally. I'm happy with the result. Would I buy Grow Gorgeous again? I think I will, actually. I did have a look on their website, which I will link down below here, and also in the description, and I think it's about £25 for a little tub of it, and I think it's like 200 mils, but if you go on Amazon you can find it cheaper. So hair scrubs, yes, they work. Will I buy again? Yes, I will. Anyway, that is the end of this little video. Sorry if it's a bit shaky, I'm holding this in my hand. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you have liked this. If you do, please smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!